In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted note in Evernote Web. If you've accidentally deleted a note and thought it was gone for good, don't worry. Evernote keeps deleted notes in the trash for a period of time, which means you may be able to recover what you need in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by logging into Evernote Web. Once you're signed in and on your main workspace, look over to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, find Trash. Depending on your layout, it may appear as its own option with a trash can icon, or it could be tucked under a More menu or inside a user profile dropdown. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check those areas carefully. After opening Trash, you'll see the notes that have been deleted from your account. From here, you can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar within the trash to help locate the specific note you want to recover. If you remember part of the title or some keyword from the note, searching can make this much faster. Once you find the note, click on it to open it. This is an important moment because you'll want to confirm that it's the correct note before restoring it. Take a quick look through the contents so you know you're recovering exactly what you intended. When you're sure it's the right note, go to the top right corner of the note and click the three dots to open the Options menu. From that menu, select Restore Note. That's it. Your deleted note should now be returned from the trash and placed back into your active notes, making it available again in your Evernote account.